Hey, this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. We're back today with a new cooking video. This is a quick, easy, Asian-inspired weeknight meal that you can do. It's called Asian chicken with cabbage. You can serve it with any kind of Asian sides. We've done it with egg drop soup, egg rolls, steamed dumplings, edamame, or probably stir-fry vegetables is what we do it with the most. You can do the chicken on an indoor or outdoor grill. You could probably bake it, but I've always done it on an indoor grill. And the cabbage is really easy with a thing of coleslaw. So I hope you'll enjoy this quick, easy weeknight meal. If you like what you see, we hope you'll hit that subscribe button and come back. And as always, have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Bye. Today I've got a quick and easy recipe for you. It is an Asian chicken with cabbage. It is very quick. It's easy for a weeknight meal. You can do the chicken on an indoor grill, which is what I'm going to do, an outdoor grill, or the original recipe called for you to broil the chicken. So we're going to make up a marinade of hoisin with some garlic and ginger that we're going to baste on the chicken and cook with it. And then we're going to quickly saute in a wok on the stove some chopped onion, coleslaw, and then take it off and we'll season it with some sesame oil and salt and pepper. It's a very quick and easy meal. This is Asian chicken with cabbage. I'm going to mix up the sauce for the chicken. I've already got the hoisin in here. I will leave the recipe as always. Always be sure to read my notes. I very rarely make things as the recipe is written. I double this sauce because we not only baste the chicken that we're going to grill with it, but we like to reserve some of the sauce to dip with. So I'm going to double it, what it normally calls for, which is 2 tablespoons of hoisin. So I'm going to use 4, calls for 1 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic. So I'm going to use 2 and mix it up, and then we'll baste the chicken with it as we grill it, either inside, outside, or you can do it in your broiler. While the chicken is cooking on the grill, we're going to start the cabbage. Take the onion, we're going to saute it till it's soft, and then we're going to add some coleslaw mix. I'm only going to add half the bag since I'm just cooking for 2, but feel free to add the whole bag because, as we all know, cabbage or coleslaw, or you can even use broccoli slaw, it does wilt down quite a bit, but I'm trying to make a small portion tonight. I'll let my chicken cook a little bit. I'm going to start basting it now with the hoisin mixture. Hoisin is an Asian type barbecue sauce, so it has a lot of sugar in it, so it will burn. I have burned these chicken fillets many times, so these days I try to cook them a little bit before I start basting them. And we will flip them over and do the other side. Alright, my coleslaw is cooked down with the onions. We're going to take it off the heat, put it in a bowl, and add the sesame oil and some salt and pepper. And the chicken is about done, and we will be ready to serve. This is a very quick meal. It comes together very fast. The chicken is ready on the grill. I have tossed the cabbage coleslaw mixture with some sesame oil, salt and pepper. You can This is Asian chicken with cabbage. I've also served it with some sides, edamame, crab rangoon, steamed dumplings. And it's a quick and easy meal. I hope you'll give this a try. And like, comment, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all. Bye.